Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be my review on the LaFleur Paris Bobobark bag. And I purchased this off, I shouldn't say purchased, I backed a project off of Kickstarter. So if you want to get right into the unboxing, you know about Kickstarter, you know about this bag, go ahead and go to this timestamp right here, because I am going to go over Kickstarter just because I think it's kind of cool, a cool idea with some risks, which I'll go over. But basically, I discovered Kickstarter on YouTube last year when a few of my favorite beauty gurus were talking about Refer brushes, and I actually did back Refer brushes up and received those and used them and loved them. So let me go over what Kickstarter is. So Kickstarter is an American public benefit corporation based in Brooklyn, New York that maintains a global crowdfunding platform focused on creativity. The company's stated mission is to help bring creative projects to life. Basically, it's if you have some kind of idea or something that you want to create but maybe don't have an investor or don't have the money, get it started on Kickstarter and get people to back the project. Like, there's a goal, and if you meet your goal, then it goes into production. You have up until this date basically to back out, and then once that date is passed, if the person meets their goal and it continues into processing, you've backed the project and you could get the product, but there's also that possibility that you don't. Now, more often than not, people get the project. I haven't seen too many people upset, but I know there are projects that have failed. I've done two. I've done the Refer brushes, and then now I have done the Bobobark bag from LaFleur Paris, and I've been happy with both. Again, it's a risk. I will say that LaFleur, they started in Kickstarter, and then after they did like a second round, it moved to Indiegogo projects. When this project moved from Kickstarter to the other platform, I felt like I only started receiving updates when I was getting ready to receive my bag. So I backed the project in December of 2019, and I was supposed to get my bag at the end of March, early April of 2020. So the pandemic happened and it did get pushed out. I didn't receive anything right away, and I was able to find them on Facebook, and they were very active on there. Basically, Natasha, so this is a father-daughter duo, and they created this beautiful bag in Paris. I believe the bags are made in China. They do design and everything and sell them in Paris. But she personally, because again, I didn't feel like this platform updated us as much, she started giving out her email and told people to email her directly. So I was able to reach out to her, and she was keeping me updated, and then finally I started receiving updates from the platform, and I got my bag in July. So I did get it late, but understandably it was because of the pandemic. There wasn't really much she can do, so I kind of understood that. But the box did finally come. So I did already open it and kind of go through everything, but it came just like this. So this bag is made out of premium quality cork. It's 3 times lighter than leather, water resistant, premium quality, sustainable, vegan, and eco-friendly. So here is the bag up close. It's got this really pretty design. So this bag on Kickstarter, the early bird special, which I missed, was $179, and then after that it turned to $199 and pretty much has stayed that way. And now you can buy this bag from the Bobobark website, which I will have that link down below. So now these bags retail for $279. They had it initially in black, and then they added like a green color. I was torn between the green. It's a very beautiful, deep, like teal green color, and the hardware is brass. But here's the bag, and the reason why I liked it was because of all the different compartments that are in the bag and all the different like pockets. I wanted this bag because I wanted something that was nice that I could take to work that would carry my laptop, because I started like editing and doing stuff like during my lunch break. So as you can see, here are the different pockets. Then you have this little zipper, and then it has other pockets, and I'll go over all that. And then this pocket here, and it's pretty deep. And then you have this nice side zipper where you can reach your laptop, so you're not opening like all your other stuff and exposing it. And then it also has this side zipper for your phone battery pack. It has a little part for the port to come out of, and where you could stick your phone very, very nicely. I really, really like this feature. I'm always losing my phone in my bag. I always forget which pocket I stick it in, but the fact that it has its own pocket that I can just kind of, even while I'm holding the bag, can slip it in, I'm never gonna lose my phone again. So I do really like that feature. And then you can carry this bag 3 ways. You could carry it as a cross bag, you could carry it as a book bag, which is my preference, and then you can carry it like a suitcase. And I will insert video clips of me having it again as a backpack. I do prefer this way more, especially when traveling, because it kind of distributes the weight evenly. I do have back problems. I do like that the bag itself is only, I believe it's only 3 pounds, and then it's only as heavy as you fill it. And then of course, you can wear it like the crossbody. I do like bags like that. And then of course you can hold it like a briefcase. And that is another way that's cute, especially if you're just gonna go to like a quick office meeting, or maybe you're gonna go to an interview. You wanna look sharp, you can carry it kind of just like a bag. I really wanted this bag when someone said that it was like the modern Mary Poppins bag. I've seen other bags like this and they look more like suitcases, look more like backpacks, where I feel like this is chic, sleek, and looks more like a really nice, expensive, professional bag. It's not your sideways messenger bag, it's nice and sleek, and that is why I just really thought this bag was nice. So let's go ahead and fill the bag up. I have been traveling light lately, so we're gonna go ahead and stick my Velcro first, and then we're gonna secure that with the Velcro. And as you can see, it's right there tucked on the side. That's gonna be closest to your back. I'm gonna go ahead and stick my sunglasses, my masks, because you know you need your masks. Perfume, gotta have perfume. My lipstick. I never leave home without my SPF. Stick that in there. And we're gonna stick my keys right here in this little pocket. I like to put my keys where I can reach them. And then all my other stuff that I don't reach as often, I'll just put in this long pocket. But it's all in one place. In the middle, I prefer to have my wallet so I know exactly where to go to get it. And then I'm gonna stick my earphones with my phone, because that just makes sense. So I have all my stuff in here now. Like, if all fits nicely, you can't see it because it's all nicely in here. In the middle, I have my wallet, and then in the side. Now I'm gonna take all of this and stick it in the middle, and I'm gonna stick a book. So whenever I travel on a plane, like if I go to Puerto Rico, I do travel with a book or like an e-reader. So I wanted to see how that would fit in here. So it has my laptop, a book, my wallet, my mask, and we're gonna stick the sunglasses like here on the side. Okay. And then my phone. And there you have it. See, it still looks nice and sleek with all of that in here. So let's go ahead and now unload it. We're gonna switch to view so that you could see me unloading everything. So this is everything that I was able to fit in my bag with still room to spare. And again, here is the interior of the bag. It's got the Fleur Paris Bobobark. And again, I usually travel heavier. There would typically be a makeup bag, but again, I've been traveling light lately, so I've only been traveling with my sunblock and my lip balm. Okay, so again, there's 3 ways to wear it. So you get 2 straps, and they look like this. But when it came in, I know some people were confused because there is a 3rd strap, and that is so that you could wear it crossbody. So if you want to make this into a backpack, you clip this in this corner here, and then you bring it down. You make sure that this is facing out. You bring this down, and then you strap it in here like a belt. There's 2 straps like that, and that's how you would make it a backpack. If you want to make it a crossbody, that is where this little strap comes in. Basically, you hook this up like a belt, and you adjust it to the size that you want, the length of your crossbody. And then right here at the top, you clip this side and then this side. And now you have your crossbody, and then you just adjust this where it's going to be hitting your shoulder. So yeah, guys, that is my review of the Bobobark bag. And again, check out Kickstarter. It's a really good way to not only help with crowdfunding and getting people's creative projects out there, but you can also save a little bit of money. Now you can buy this bag from the Bobobark website, which I will have that link down below. There is this black version, this beautiful green version that I will put a picture up right here. And I believe she is showing pictures of a yellow one. Now, I do want to update you guys once I really start using it. I have seen reviews where people have used and abused their bag, and I think it's gonna last with how you treat it. I would say the only thing I can complain so far about the bag is that it doesn't have the feet on the bottom. Not that I'm one to set my bag down a lot, but I do think that is a nice touch, because if you do set your bag down a lot, because some people do, I do see the bag getting a little tore up. But for the most part, the only issue that I saw was the straps fraying, and I believe she fixed that issue, but if she has not, she does send out new straps. So that was the only issue I really saw, was the fraying of the straps. And again, people were emailing her and she was sending out new straps, and people were commenting that they got new straps. So yeah, guys, that is my review of the Bobobark bag. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me and haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Click the notification bell so you know when I upload. And until next time, guys, bye.